Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, I was looking back at all my little videos for Thanksgiving last year, and I realized one of my favorite pies was not on it. And that's the sweet potato pie. I don't know about you, but Lord, I love them. So I'm going to put together one real quick for you and just show you how I do it. I know there's 100 different ways to do a sweet potato pie. But I've done them all kind of way. I do them with sweetened condensed milk and everything else. But I'm just going to show you just some little simple ingredients that you may already have. And we're going to go from there. So I got my oven set at 400 because we're going to cook the pie for about 15 minutes at 400. And then I reduce the heat and I cook it longer. So I'll start with that. Second of all, I've already got my little taters cooked here. Now there's two different ways you can do these sweet potatoes. I roasted these, so I washed them real good, rubbed them with just a little oil, pierced them and put a little salt, covered them in foil, baked them for about an hour in the oven. And I like the flavor of the roasted better. It brings out all those little sugars in the sweet potatoes that are so good. But you can also boil them or put them in your Instant Pot. It works just as well, and just so you take his clothes off, get that skin off. That's all you need. Some soft cooked sweet potatoes, and so I got those. And I hope I got enough, because guess what? I ate one or two.
What happened?
After they were done. I did.
Happened?
Yes,
it smelled the whole house up.
It smells so good. So I'm going to just, I like to mix this up, obviously. But I like to mix it up to get all the little strings, because sometimes the beater catches the strings and you can take them out. So I'm just going to whip these potatoes first. All right. It wasn't that much string, but look, just a little bit right there. And I'm just going to give it a little wipe, get some of them off. It'll probably just stay there, to be honest. You ain't got to do all this, be extra. But that's what we're doing. All right, I'm going to go in with a stick of butter. So a half cup of butter. And I have got it melted. And I did let these potatoes cool. So I did do that. I like to work best with cold sweet potatoes, even for like my sweet potato souffle. That's what I prefer. All right, now I am going to put my sugars in. I've got a half a cup of white sugar, and I'm just going to put about 1/4 cup first to start out with, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, because I don't want it to get too terribly sweet. And so that equals to a half a cup of sugar with both of those. So let's give these a little whirl. All right, I've got 2 eggs going in. 2 eggs. Okay, y'all, I tasted it before I put the eggs in, and it is sweet. Plenty sweet enough for me. So I'm going to leave that at 1 cup of sugar, with it being half a cup of sugar, with it being half brown, half white. Let's get these mixed up. It's looking good. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put my little seasoning in. I've got some nutmeg. I'm just going to do about a half teaspoon of nutmeg in here. And the seasoning is totally optional, what you like. If you don't like nutmeg, honey, keep it out. I got a little ginger. I'm just going to put about maybe 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Well, we'll just do half, just to keep it even there. Now, I do love cinnamon, and I know I love cinnamon. So I'm going to do a whole teaspoon of cinnamon, a nice healthy teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to go ahead and put me a little vanilla flavoring, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our good old cruising vanilla that I enjoy. All right, now I'm going to put just a little bit of this. I've got some carnation milk, just some evaporated milk. That's what I got. I even got the name brand, honey. It was on sale.
I hear you.
Kudos to the food lines. They got a pretty good sale going. So I'm going to just put put this half a cup of the carnation milk in here. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I'm getting all those little fall. You smell it? Yeah. All those little fall scents going on. Oh my goodness. It smells good. We'll get all our little love off of here. And give this another little stir. Get everything off the side here. And I think I didn't eat too many taters. I think I got enough here. Look good, how good it
all
looks.
Creamy and
look
yummy.
At that, silky smooth. All right, now get my little shell here. Now I got a pre-bake. I bought a pie. I keep saying I'm gonna do a pie. I need to do a pie crust, but today was not the day. So now, if you have made your own pie crust, you pre-bake it a little bit, but because I didn't, we're not going to pre-bake it. Now, I do like to watch my crust when I'm cooking it to make sure the little edges don't get too brown. And so if that starts to happen, I'll pull it out and I'll cover all of my edges with a little foil to keep that from getting too dark, because I don't like no black crusty edges on a side of any kind of pie. So we're just going to scoop all that in. Get all that good stuff. Yummy, yummy.
She's looking good.
She is looking good. Get it all our little nickels and dimes out of there. Set this out of the way, and I'm just going to take the same little spoon and clean it off. Now, I'm going to rub just...
Pretty it up.
Well, I'm just going to even it out, but you can do whatever you want to with it. There we go. You do want to rub it all the way around to the edges there. All right, in the oven, 400 degrees, so she's going to go. And I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes, then I'm going to drop the temperature to about 350 and cook it for about 40 minutes more or until it's done. Ooh. Look at there.
Y'all.
Look at there.
What?
All right. I did cover this. It was getting a little dark. Look at there. It looks perfect. Perfect. I just covered it a little bit with a little foil and just touching it. You see it's firm. It's not jiggly or anything. Perfect little sweet potato pie.
She looks good.
She does, don't she? Now I'm just going to let this cool because you don't want to cut into it all willy-nilly. Don't get too excited. Cut into it. Now we're going to let this cool. And then we will come back and tell y'all what we think about it. I got some Cool Whip, honey.
Gonna be good, y'all. I can't wait. About my time.
It's about your time, Russell. We just got to let it cool just a little minute.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, our little sweet tater pie is done.
I'm ready for it.
It has cooled probably about 45 minutes or so.
It's almost been
an hour or something like that. And got us a little dollop of Cool Whip on it.
Gotta
Can't
have
go wrong.
Yeah, gotta have that. Ice cream or Cool Whip or something.
Yeah. Well, I don't have to have it, but
oh, I have to have it.
It's good any kind of way. Yummy.
Still a little warm. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I just let it cool, you know, on the counter. I didn't put it in the refrigerator. I love it when it gets cold. I do. I really love it when it's cold.
It's not too sweet.
It's got all them fall flavors, though.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's got the cinnamon in it. It's got a nutmeg in it.
Little ginger.
But the flavor of the sweet potatoes come really, really good. Yep.
It's good. It's a good
Says
one,
fall, y'all. Says fall.
Gotta have it on that on your Thanksgiving table or Christmas. Got to have it in your little goodies. But I just realized, I said, Lord, I didn't do a sweet tater pie and I didn't do a pecan pie.
Yeah,
so,
we were going over stuff that we've done for Thanksgiving and the holidays. I can't believe we haven't done that one, to be honest.
Nope. But anyway, sweet tater pie here, y'all.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yes, check it out. Like I said, it's got things that you would already pretty much have in your house for the most part.
Yep.
But anyway, this is mine.
Yeah, and it's fantastic.
It is good. And we thank you so much, y'all, for everybody that's watching and loving on us and following us.
Yeah.
And
if you're traveling for the holidays, be safe, be careful, be patient.
be patient.
Yeah.
And you know, you gotta have family, food, and a little fun.
Yeah, and then think about how blessed you are to be able to be spending time with your loved ones,
exactly right.
and the
what it's
reason
all
for
about.
it. And yeah, that's exactly right.
That's what it's all about. Well, we'll catch you on the next one. Till
Absolutely.
next time.